dear friends, dear colleagues, distinguished speakers, and colleagues from the School of Governance, Law and Society. We are very proud of this conference series, since it has involved quite an attention in previous years. I see that the publications are following this, and there is even quite a lot of public interest shown up in previous times and in this time as well. I'm happy to welcome that, and I wish to congratulate you with creating this conference series. And I'm very happy and proud that this takes place under the roof of Tallinn University. Now, it is a strange year indeed, and it is a strange circumstances indeed that we are gathering here without an auditorium physically with us in the room, but just with a virtual auditorium outside. But in spite of you being virtual, I still think and believe and know that you are real. And as Professor Massimo told us, I hope that you will still be engaged, you will still ask questions and make the event alive by your participation and engagement. Now, the theme of the conference is "The State Still a Cold Monster?" Is not a new one. I have a personal story to share. Once when I was in the graduate school, I took a class with Donald Livingston, who is a David Hume expert. But this class was on Thomas Hobbes, and we discussed the Leviathan. I think it was during the first introductory class when I introduced myself and told that I am from Estonia. He said, "Well, you're from Estonia. Estonia must be an example of the state that is not a Leviathan, that is not a sea monster, because of its size. It cannot, because of its size," he says, he claimed, "it cannot create those alienating structures that the modern state normally does." And I told him then, and see it now, of course, that unfortunately Estonia is as much of a Leviathan as any other modern state, and the small size of Estonia does not really help to avoid the situation. We have as much political alienation, social alienation, as the big nation states do. So there must be something, there must be another reason why the modern state is a Leviathan-like, a monster-like creature. Why does it create alienation? Why does it create disbelief, which we live through very clearly this moment in Estonia, when a lot of people do not believe in government officials and the government medical system who is asking them to get vaccinated. They say they don't trust this system. Now, why don't they? There are several reasons, of course, but one of the fundamental traits lies in the build-up of the modern nation state itself. And I think it will be, I think we will get maybe a partial answer, at least during this conference, why it is so. As the conference goes by, it takes 2 days, I understand, right? I hope these days will be well spent. I wish you fruitful discussions, interesting ideas, well-crafted arguments for exchange. I also hope that you will have time to look around in Tallinn. And as we are in the midst of this corona crisis again, please take extreme caution when being around in Tallinn and when gathering here at the conference. Those who are here, our distinguished speakers are here today, so that you will stay healthy. With this final warning, be about us to be cautious. I am happy to announce the start of the conference, and I wish you good, fruitful discussions. Thank you.